Welcome to the Ritz Carlton Laguna Niguel. This beautiful Fireside oceanfront room has the option to have adjoining doors. There's also a luxurious bathroom with dual vanities and, of course, signature Asbury products. The shower features a detachable shower spray, as well as a tub and a luxurious glass door so that you can stay warm while you shower. There's a water closet, and a comfy robe. In fact, there's 2 robes. You're also going to receive a magnifying mirror to help you with getting ready. As you step into the bedroom, to the left you'll find a nice walk-in closet. In this closet you'll find your second row, hangers, and a full-length mirror. As you go into the bedroom, you may be greeted with 2 beds or 1, but either way you'll have this gorgeous tray cutout ceiling. This ceiling gives extra space to the room. For added convenience, you'll find right next to the bed reading lights that you can turn on and off right from the bed, and it creates a beautiful ambiance throughout the entire room. You'll also notice your flat screen television, lots of storage space including around the desk, and since you're a Fireside guest, you'll receive this complimentary s'mores kit filled with crackers and chocolate, compliments of the Ritz Carlton. Additional storage, you can find your espresso machine, coffee, tea, and even a small fridge to put some of your personal items. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. The gorgeous Fireside. Hear the ocean waves as you relax on this private terrace. The fireplace is conveniently turned on and off with a switch located next to the fire pit. Relax in the chairs and enjoy this gorgeous view. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this tour. For more information or to book, be sure to give Mayfield Elite Travel a call. And remember, I only travel elite.